Sige, ayusin ko yan mamaya. Ano? Ayan. Okay lang. Hello, hello. Say hi. Bye. Okay, to those who don't know me, it's okay. I don't know you also. It doesn't matter. No. I'm their second cousin from the Philippines.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you.
All right. Smile. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. So I took like 50 already. One more.
He's gonna document.
Ayaw magpapawis.
Yeah, it's okay. We're going to the US at this moment.
Yeah, that was when mommy made me come back.
Forced you to come back.
She forced me to come back.
That's why you. Like,
Here,
come on,
Kuya,
come on.
sit down.
I'll redo it. Come on.
I think you're on the other side.
I'm on this side.
You should act like this.
I'm so skinny. I can't even cross my legs like that anymore.
Is that match?
Yeah. Oh.
I still
Good.
sound like
It's
a
okay. I'll just sit down like this and put my. Sige, you take this picture. I'll post it later.
No, her siblings are.
You should add me on your Facebook.
Oh
From
my
here.
gosh, I haven't been to my Facebook.
Okay,
I
again.
can't say
I'll show you how.
I guess it's in our post. Huh? I liked your.
This way. I
I'm not
posted
good
on my
with pictures,
Instagram.
so we'll see.
Yes, okay.
I was like, you were literally on there.
Like,
Wait, am I?
Oh!
Michael, why are you waiting for Auntie Chat only? That's your.
Not cross her leg, but you have to cross her
Auntie
leg.
Chat.
Hard to cross my legs.
Chat, challenge
Rainier, can you
accepted,
move?
right?
No.
Rainier,
Oh, sorry.
While you're cutting your nails.
1, 2, 3.
Maganda. Grabe oh. The scenery. Ang movie. Ano din mo? Kuha na nga. Nice! This is Yosemite place. Ano, entrance pa lang yan ha? Okay. Ayan, welcome to Yosemite Park. Good. Dami ng kotse.
Rest State in one corner. Yeah. Dito ako in the middle of nowhere sa Utah. Pinuntahan ko. Para isang step mo na sa Utah. Isang step mo na sa Colorado pa. Isang step mo na sa Arizona. So, yung apat na yun.
Day and hello, great day. Dito tayo sa gitna ng dalawang malaking bato. Ayan. Sa Yosemite. Ayan. Hello, great day. Ngayon, paakyat tayo sa waterfalls na napakalaki. Walking tayo, going there. Grabe itong Yosemite. Hello, great day everyone. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Yosemite Falls, Yosemite Park. Hello, great day. Ayan, nasa Yosemite. Kasi spring.
Nakakatawid-tawid ka pa dyan ng lasan eh. Nangyayari ka lang.
Wow, look at that. Oh, the mist. Yun o. Babasa ka. Malamig snow na. Lalalala. Mababasa ka dyan. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Ah, the mist.
Pagpapicture picture nila, hindi mo na makikita gaano.
Oo nga.
The mess.
Just the experience.
It was the guy for you.
You can hardly see it. Basa agad eh. Basa ka. Oh, nababasa eh.
It's okay.
Ah, wala ko ito makita. Kaya makita.
Let's go, let's go.
Hindi, mabuhay. Hindi kaya makita.
Alright, look at that. Grabe ang mist dito.
Over here. Dito here. Ako yun.
Ayan o. Basa kami. Hello, great day everyone. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa gitna ng Yosemite at nakita niyo ang daming mga gagandang bagay. Sa waterfall. And another one, yung nakalaki, ayun. Punta kayo dito sa Yosemite. Puro Indiano. Puro Indiano. Kamukha sila. Mga ano to. Mga lokal yata ito eh. O yan, no? Hindi na yung mga beauty nila. Halos magkakamukha. OMG. Daming tao. Daming tao. Ganun talaga. This is where all... Ayan o. Order sila.
Nasa baba tayo ngayon. Like that's okay there. From here, forward.
It's okay dito. Look at that! Oh my God! Jeez! Tangin na ang taas. Diba nyo? Oh. Anong tawag dito? Ito ay tinatawag na grabe. You can stay here the whole day. Namnamin natin itong right, the most beautiful scene nakita ko dito sa Yosemite. Come to this great place called One. Fairfield. Okay. Texas. Hello, great day. Tayo sa ano? Texas. Ribs.
Do we want this last piece of bread in here?
Yeah, thank you.
Sir, can you take us a picture?
Picture it? Yeah, of course.
Yeah? Because it's better if you take a picture than selfie. Yeah.
Hey, look in there. Look.
Two, one. Take a couple for you, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Well, of course, everything tastes alright with the food for you guys?
That's good.
You're
The best.
Are we doing alright with the food?